Hey guys, I'm here working on this 2019 Ford Transit, and basically I'm replacing the cooling fans, and I wanted to give you guys some tips and pointers on it. So for this job, you're either going to need a lift or you're going to need to jack it up and put it on jack stands pretty high in the air. So this is underneath the front. All right, so what you're gonna do is remove this plate. Okay, to remove it, there's 1, 2 on this side, and then 3 and 4 on the other side. And then you have this, which is a T30, and it's holding on these lines. Which doesn't matter what they are, but T30 hidden up in there. You'll take those down, and then you'll take this plastic piece down. This whole plastic piece, you don't have to take it all the way off, but you'll just take off one here and one there. And this will be able to fold down, okay? Now, when you pull this metal piece out, you'll pull it down and you'll slide it that way. And then you'll pull this side down and then you'll slide it out the opposite way. Okay? That's how you'll get that out. Now, you're gonna wanna drain the coolant, which is right above here. You'll see the drain. And you're going to want to clean up this area before you drain the coolant, because you don't want a bunch of dirt and shit getting in your coolant. So you'll have a bucket underneath. You'll drain out about a gallon and a half. You don't have to drain the whole thing. And then you're going to go on top and you're going to remove this radiator hose, which you can see. You're going to remove that radiator hose after you drain the coolant. And that way you're going to be able to pull the whole fan assembly down. You're going to pull it to the right, or around that thing. You'll see there's like 4 clips holding it in, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. So you're going to pull it to the right after you pull that hose around where the hose is, and then you'll be able to bring it downwards, and then you'll be able to pull it out. It's kind of an annoying job, but it's not difficult. I would give myself like 4 hours on it maybe to start with, and then after I've done it a few times, it'll probably take a couple hours. All right, good luck, guys. If this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Thanks, and have a great day.